Hey everybody, this is Keith Couch with Rush Truck Centers in Greeley, Colorado. Rocky Mountain Peterbilt on YouTube. Got a nice heavy haul day cab in, 2020 model. It's a 389 extended hood, 4-axle tractor, double frame, full double frame, 46,000 pound rears, 20,000 pound steer axle, and 20,000 pound liftable steerable. This one also has a Cummins X15 in it. 605 horse, 2050 torque. Wheelbase escapes me right now, but I want to say we're at 265 or 270. We've got 110 gallon fuel tank on this side. 425 65R 22.5 steer tires. And on the steerable lift axle, we have 11R 24.5 tall rubber on the rear. It's all Bridgestone M799s. Got the ramps, lowboy ramps, full lockers, 391 gears, full disc brakes on this one, Peterbilt Air-Trac suspension. We put the lights up in that rear cross member now, and it just, with snow and ice and stuff we deal with here in Colorado, it just makes it much better. All aluminum wheels all the way around. 72-inch air slide fifth wheel. Did plenty of load lights on the back. 4 lower and 2 upper. And we got 70 gallons over here, so we got 180 gallons of onboard fuel, the medium def tank. Got a master disconnect there, so you can kill the batteries. Let's take a look. Toe pin up front. Forgot about that. Very nice. Cummins X15, 605 horsepower, 2050 torque. £20,000 steer axle. We do have disc brakes on it. All aluminum hood on your traditional Peterbilt. Did the Davco fuel filter. We got remote lube. Very nice truck. Turns exceptionally well for an extended hood Peterbilt. And what we did is we went ahead and installed your strobe lights. Each corner of the grill has a strobe. And we got one over here. Then as you can see, we took the normal, I'll show you the normal beacon lights are like what's on these trucks here. We went ahead and put in the slim LED beacons. Look very nice. You just kind of lose them up there. You don't really see them. Very, very nice. I have 3 of these. These are an extended hood, extended cab. So you can see you got 7 more inches of cab, or 10 more inches of cab, 7 more inches in headroom. Did the real nice interior, dual air-ride seats. Crawl in here. Get her fired up. Get your navigation system here. Got a PTO switch. Air suspension dump switch. Get your 3-way lockers right here. There we go. And we got your air slide fifth wheel here. So everything you need. AM, FM, Bluetooth. 18-speed transmission. Got carpet on the inside, leather seats. And a factory installed CB. Got overhead storage. And then here you can see the extended cab. Much more comfortable, especially if you're a bigger guy. Get a lot more storage room down here. Place for a big gulp, coffee cups, things like that. So that's just a quick view, overall view of, we have 3 of these heavy hauls in stock. They are ready to go. See if we can bring in, there's your extra gauges. The nav system does work, and it works fairly well. But just wanted to go over this with you. 3 heavy hauls in stock, just now showing up. Let me know if you need him. Can certainly send you a quote. Get your VIN numbers, everything. We can do all kinds of lighting packages on them and do whatever you like. Just thought we'd go ahead and get the strobe lights on it, so if a guy needed to go to work right away, you could. It's Keith Couch with Rocky Mountain Peterbilt Rush Truck Center in Greeley, Colorado. On 970-691-3877. Call or text. And you can email me at couchk, C-O-U-C-H-K, @rushenterprises.com. Appreciate you taking the time to watch. Thank you.